Welcome you all. For every human being, the most important relation is father. And Father's Day is a celebration across the world to realize the meaning of fatherhood, paternal bonds, and the efforts of father figures towards their family and children. Today, 20th June 2021 is the International Father's Day, and I am extremely happy to present this video on the date, history, and significance of this special day. The history of Father's Day is a grim one, as it was first marked after an unfortunate mining accident in the United States. On 5th July 1908, hundreds of men died in a mining mishap at Fairmont in West Virginia. Grace Golden Clayton, the daughter of a dedicated reverend, suggested a Sunday service in memory of all the men who died in the accident. A few years later, the Father's Day idea was brought by another woman named Sonora Smart Dodd, the daughter of American Civil War veteran William Jackson Smart. It was while listening to a Mother's Day sermon at Spokane in Washington during 1909, the idea of Father's Day suddenly struck her and she wanted to honor her own father, who was well deserving of a special day as a widowed farmer who brought up 6 children as a single parent. She determined there should also be a day to honor fathers, and she gained local support and made her dream a reality within her own city of Spokane. In 1910, Sonora chose June 19th as the day to celebrate Father's Day because that was her father's birthday. With the support from the Spokane Ministerial Association and the YMCA, the first Father's Day was celebrated in Spokane on 19th June 1910. Decades later, in 1924, President Calvin Coolidge proclaimed the third Sunday in June as Father's Day. In 1966, President Lyndon B. Johnson signed a presidential proclamation declaring that the third Sunday of June as Father's Day. Finally, in 1972, President Richard Nixon established a permanent national observance of Father's Day to be held on the third Sunday in June. Since 1972, this day is celebrated in every part of the world with great joy. The date for Father's Day changes from year to year, and in most countries it is celebrated on the third Sunday in June. But traditionally speaking, countries such as Spain and Portugal celebrate Father's Day on 19th March on the occasion of the feast of Saint Joseph, the earthly father of Jesus Christ. And it is very important to mention here that in a new apostolic letter entitled Patris Corde, that is, with a father's heart, Pope Francis describes Saint Joseph as a beloved father, a tender and loving father, an obedient father, an accepting father, a father who is creatively courageous, a working father, and a father in the shadows. This letter marks the 150th anniversary of Blessed Pope Pius IX's declaration of Saint Joseph as patron of the Universal Church, and Pope Francis has proclaimed a special year of Saint Joseph beginning on the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception 2020, that is 8th December, and extending the same feast in 2021. So, let us all celebrate this day of great importance and express our love and gratitude for all that our fathers do for us, and it is a day to make them feel loved and valued. Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.